Press any button. Also. Ups. Aber da jetzt... Ich mache jetzt auch mal Continue. Das müsste doch ähnlich funktionieren. Oh.
Once upon a time,
Okay.
in a deep and ancient forest, there lived a pair of crafty goblins.
The crafty goblins did everything together, until one day, when darkness overwhelmed the big wooden house in which they lived.
Blamed for the darkness, Brother Goblin was forced to leave the forest, while his sister had to stay behind.
Years later, they were finally reunited, and together, they decided to confront the darkness in the big wooden house.
Das ist eigentlich jetzt das Recap, das ich gemacht habe, auch hier in dieser Form.
Though they sought the help of their friends in the forest, they found that no one wanted to delve into the long-gone past.
This is how the goblins found themselves alone in the woods, trying to discover why darkness had submerged the big wooden house.
Okay. Was geht jetzt ab? Direkt wieder in die Action rein.
Tomorrow we should play Compass and North Star in the woods.
Be sure to wear your hat then.
You be sure to wear your hat.
All right, who wants ice cream?
Me!
Eat up.
Without a word, she went out and buried the tiara in the ground beneath the sapling. And as the final scoop of dirt fell, the tiara felt truly gone, and with it, the final link to her old self. She could only go forward and find a new place for herself in this world, where she was no longer truly a princess in a tiara and a beautiful gown, but a wan woman, alone in a deep and ancient wood. And that was how the princess lost her most precious treasure, and her title.
I don't like that story. There were no goblins, and it was depressing.
We won't read it again.
I love you, Mom. Not me. Just kidding. Love you, Mom.
Mwah. I love you too. Sleep well and dream, my doves.
Ist echt das jetzt gewesen, bevor sie die Haare geschnitten haben? Das sehen wir wahrscheinlich. Okay. Also irgendetwas ist schon komisch.
Ollie?
Ja.
What a waste.
Allison! Ollie? Allison, help!
Das ist jetzt... Okay. Oh, okay. Also. Wenn das jetzt wirklich so ist, wie sie es dargestellt haben, hat sie gar keine Erinnerung von dem. Das heisst, sie war je nachdem gar nicht unter Kontrolle gewesen. Vielleicht sind da noch mehr Powers rum. Aber, ja.
We need to call for help. Allison. I killed Mom. I killed her.
Ja. So.
Hey. You doing all right?
I thought coming here would be closing a chapter of our lives, you know?
And instead, we've spun off a whole miserable prequel trilogy. Okay. No. We're not letting ourselves do this again. Come on, up. Mind-numbing labor's a great way to forget your troubles.
Can't we just have coffee instead?
No. On your feet, soldier. Let's take a break from packing and sort out the furniture.
Okay.
If we get enough done, I'll drive you into town and buy you a gallon of ice cream.
Oh, wow.
Mint chocolate chip, 2 gallons.
Oh, das war falsch knapp gewesen, aber egal. Endlich den Wellen machen.
Wow.
Also.
Space is keep. $sign is donate or sell, and trash can is, well, trash. By the way, I cleared out most of the stuff in the bathroom this morning.
Haben wir da etwas?
To the toilet.
How very generous of you. Ugh, gross stain is gross.
What happened?
Some unfortunate spillage that brought about the end of indoor tea parties. I hid the stain. I guess it's finally time to take these pictures down.
Yeah. Still deciding what to do with them.
Ja. They're happy memories, oder? Oder nicht? Ja.
I mean, most of them are pretty happy memories.
I guess.
You look cute here.
That's not me. I mean, it is, but
Ich komme schon draus.
It's not really. I get it.
it's just weird. Seeing myself like that again. Damn. Didn't think a picture could throw me like this anymore.
Did therapy help?
Has therapy helped at all?
Oh, yeah, definitely. My therapist really heard me when I said I was a guy. And she helped me get ready for the reactions I'd get, you know? It's dealing with other people that's been way harder than figuring myself out. At the end of the day, being able to look in the mirror and see Tyler, that's made the biggest difference. Which is why I'm scheduling my top surgery as soon as we sell this house. No more putting a binder on every morning. God, that sounds fucking amazing.
Yeah, totally.
Okay.
Just so you know,
Okay.
I'll be there to help out when you do. Whatever you need.
Thanks.
Wir wollen etwas machen.
All right.
Ja.
What's your verdict, Ronan?
You know what? I'll keep a few. To remind us how far we've come.
Ist das der... Wer ist das? Ist das der Eddie? Ist das...
Man, I love this one.
Why do I look so pissed? I remember loving this.
Maybe because Marianne was sticking a camera in your face?
Oh, Erinnerungen... Nicht. Oh, irgendeinem. Da.
Come on, honey, smile like Allison.
Hold up your fish.
Ja, das war der Eddie.
It's not my fish anymore. Allison stole it.
My sister, the fish thief.
You were just being bratty.
Was I, though?
Yes. All I did was help clean it when we were out on the porch. Eddie had to force you to share.
Der Eddie. Also da, die lassen wir jetzt, da, die Fotos. Hä?
Allison,
Ja.
I completely forgot we had a pet vole for a few days.
poor Volcano. She was in rough shape when we found her. Good thing Marianne actually knew what she was doing with injured wildlife.
What to do with this?
Red's jetzt vom Tisch? Trash.
This has been sitting in a damp house for 10 years. No one wants to eat off it.
Okay, schon wieder eine Erinnerung. Remember.
Lasagna! Lasagna!
Finish your salad first. Thank you, Tessa. You're a lifesaver.
Okay.
Oh, don't worry about it. They're good
Tessa
leftovers
schon da
right
gewesen.
now.
What about Volcano? She needs to eat her lunch too.
You're quite right, love.
She can have my corn.
Here you go.
Volcano.
You must be hungry too.
Tessa really did keep us all fed.
She always tried to take care of everyone. Still
Okay.
does, I guess.
Was haben wir da noch? Look under. Oha, ein Collectible. Schon wieder.
What's doing down here? Is that
Wunderschön.
gum? Ugh. I guess that was probably me.
Goblins were here. The big frog. So. Alle kochen gehen. Kann man sicher ein paar Sachen vortrühren.
Ancient appliances, you are staying here. Although, that oven looks in okay enough shape.
No way. We are not moving the oven.
Okay. Okay. Was haben wir im Kühlschrank?
You hungry? We have a whole lot of nothing.
I was hoping maybe you could make me one of those pickle and ketchup sandwiches.
I'm sorry, sir. We are all out of pickles today. Could I interest you in a ketchup-only sandwich? Looks like there's still a bottle back here.
Sicher auch uralt.
This is the guy who used to eat peanut butter with ranch.
So good.
Habe ich noch etwas vergessen? Wir könnten noch rauf, hm? Also da wäre trashed, okay.
Everywhere I look, there's just stuff, stuff, and more stuff.
Mary and the Magpie.
Hello, ancient broken-down machines that will be the future owner's problem.
Okay.
We don't really want to keep anything in here, right?
Also da kann man sicher vortrühren, oder? Was ist das?
Thanks for clearing out those cabinets.
Not my pleasure.
Smell.
Oh, ew, ew, ew. Raven Sarah.
Oh, God. I can still taste it. Put it.
Say ah. Ah.
I remember cutting off shaving cream beards with these.
Oh, yeah.
Ja. Schublade.
What about that dresser?
If you want your towels to rot, go for it.
Ich wollte jetzt da nicht putzen. So, gehen wir noch rauf.
And what do you know? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. Hey, Tyler. How does 5... Will this ever stop?
Ja, was?
So weird.
Jetzt mit drin aufgehört.
So, you gonna come back down to help me, or what?
Das muss ich da aber in dem Fall nicht machen. Was ist da? Okay. Ja, ja, ja.
So long, trusty bunk beds.
Ah, da haben wir uns schon entschieden. He? Gut. Ja, ich will jetzt auch nicht alles durch. Da eine ist wahrscheinlich auch nicht mehr Wichtiges. Ja, das kann ich auch machen.
But soft. What light through yonder? Oh, wait. It's just you.
Clever. Clever.
Ah, das
There's
ist...
a paper plane stuck in the ceiling light.
Maybe it has a secret message from our past selves.
Oh, ja.
Something to knock it down.
I could use that ball. Okay, let's see if I can still do this.
$5 says you miss.
Oh, nice.
Oh my god. Wow. This is unreal.
What is it?
Allison's big fat loser.
You're no better at insults than you were at 11.
Why mess with perfection?
So, also gehen wir wieder runter.
Hey, did you finish packing upstairs?
Nope. There's way too much junk to sort through.
Was ist unser Ziel? Sort the ground... Oh, no, okay. Finish the kitchen sorting.
Come on, we've got a lot more to do.
Crummy table and wobbly chairs.
Aber da kann man noch verkaufen.
We could make some pretty good money if we sell this. And I know I'd end up eating on the couch most of the time anyway.
Oh god, what's that smell?
Ja, was machst denn du da? Erinnerung. Oder? Da sind wir ja schon gesehen. Was ist da wahrscheinlich da? Ah. Oha.
Ugh, what's that smell? Smells like delicious garbage. Ooh, yes, delicious indeed. Or could it be Stinky Pants Sam? Oh, Stinky Pants Sam!
Come on now. Sam got that smell getting a skunk out of our barn. Be nice.
A skunk? What did you do to her? Is she okay?
Sure is. She just went hunting for food and couldn't get back out. All she needed was a little nudge to get her on her way.
Sam Kansky, hero of skunk kind.
I remember being super impressed by him, and it made me want to be a wild animal superhero too.
Sam. Was habe ich noch vergessen? Living room? Ja, okay.
Allison, I asked you to clean up the coffee table 3 times already.
Ja. Ist schon gut.
I forgot.
Bitte nicht stressen. Hä? Das ist wieder eine Erinnerung. Aber wo? Da hinten.
Steady now. Take your time. He's not gonna jump up and do the cha-cha.
What about me? I want to clean the fish too. It's not even your fish. You didn't catch anything. Ugh, only because you wouldn't stop talking and scared all the fish away.
Keep your eyes on what you're doing. Allison, when we're done with this half, you can take over and do the other one. That sound fair?
Yes.
You're right. I was kind of being a brat.
All right, I'll clean it up.
Thanks. While you do that, I'll check out the furniture.
Das ist wirklich Hausflipper gerade, hä?
I'm guessing you want to keep the coffee table?
Was hat er gefragt? The coffee table.
Okay, never mind.
Ja,
Don't hurt
never mind.
junkyard.
Ja, ist gut.
I really like that armchair.
It'll look sharp next to your tree stump nightstand.
I'll be the most stylish mountain man ever. But I was actually thinking it should go in your library.
Library? We may not even have a living room.
I have faith in you.
Trash.
Another one for the landfill.
So, müssen wir etwas machen. Pack. Da ist schon mal aufgenommen, hat sie es wieder reingelegt.
And finally.
Ich
I
kann
hate
es
to
jetzt
say
nicht...
it, but the couches get a one-way ticket to the dump.
No protest here. I think I have permanent knee damage from a decade of bumping into the corner of those damn things.
Well, then that's it for the living room. You are relieved from your duties.
Ja, danke. Vielmal. So, dann müssen wir noch... I'll take a break with Tyler. Sort the ground floor furniture. Da sind wir schon gesehen, oder? Das ist schon ein Look anderer.
Hey, Allison, come take a break with me.
Jetzt wartest du noch. Ich glaube, irgendetwas muss ich noch machen, oder? So, so kann ich einfach anschauen. Da bin ich gesehen. Also, ich komme.
Starting the fire again?
Yeah, I'm gonna boil some water. You want something to drink?
Kann ich antworten? Aha, ja, denke Kaffee.
Would you rather have instant coffee or instant coffee?
Nah, sorry. I'm more of a tea person. Get it?
Oha.
As in,
How long did it take you to make that joke?
longer than I'm willing to admit.
I am so glad Eddie came through on the caffeine.
Shh, did you hear that?
Oh, es geht los, es geht
It's
los.
a warning.
Okay. Was ist das denn?
That's a nice vase.
Nein, das ist es
Wonder if
nicht.
that horse figurine is still in there.
Was?
You're what now?
You know, my blue toy horse. With the kind of melted face. The one you stole from me.
What? That never happened.
Yeah, it did. I won it at that little Halloween carnival they had at the school every year. You grabbed it and hid it in the pot. Then when I tried to get it back, you said there was a snake inside too.
Oh.
For your punishment, said the Ice King, you shall be banished from the forest. And if you dare come back before the new moon, you shall feel my anger in your gut. Hear it in the wind. Whoosh!
Huh. Do you think the Ice King would really react that way? He may be intimidating, but he's always fair and never mean.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Maybe he tells the goblins to help the people they hurt instead?
Great idea, sweetie. Why don't we think about it at dinner? I'll put everything away for safekeeping while you go wash your hands.
Can you put them in the binder so they don't get stained?
Of course, love.
I still think my dark and twisty version was better.
We put so many hours into that book.
Yeah. Our binder was full of extra drawings and incomplete stories. Think they're all still in the kitchen drawer?
We should go take a look.
Ja. Ja, da.
Come check this out. Allison's first drafts. Right. 'Cause I didn't contribute at all.
Come on. I know you did. I can't believe she kept all these.
You'd think putting them on the fridge for a couple of weeks would have been enough.
You know how we thought of ourselves as the goblins? Did you ever get the sense that maybe Mary Ann was the princess in the stories?
Yeah. She called her bedroom the princess's sanctum, and she was all alone in the woods, in this house, until we showed up.
She was. Alone, but with a few friends who helped her along the way.
What are you doing?
Research. So, if Mary Ann was the princess, then who were all the rest?
And here we go.
Oh, come on. Humor me.
Also. Tessa, Sam, Eddie. Aha, muss ich die jetzt so... Was? Muss ich machen? Dass sie so anordnen, wie sie da stehen. Der Eddie ist sicher der Bär.
You go here.
Und ich kann sie noch anschauen.
The bear was the most helpful one.
Ah, der Mann.
Always around.
Stalking her?
What? No.
I mean, he was kinda always there. Lurking.
Ja, also. Ich weiss nicht, der Sam, der wäre so... Hä? Das war sicher der Sam gewesen. Hi Andrea. Schön, dass du mitschaust. Ja, das war sicher der Sam gewesen. Das heisst, ihr müsst es wieder swappen.
You done?
This one.
Ah ja, logisch, ja.
Poor Moose. Really didn't do him justice.
Hi.
Kind of ironic, huh?
Considering he was the lawful good one.
Too bad the law is...
Ja, das ist eigentlich völlig easy. He? Also, wo steht der Eddie da in der Mitte? Also, swap. So. Und dann ist das Tessa. Ich will jetzt hier aber noch schnell anschauen.
Pelican.
She was the most generous one.
Generous,
Yeah. But there was always a catch.
ja. Mhm. Okay, ja, dann let's go.
All right. I think I'm done.
You sure?
Ja, natürlich. Definitiv.
How do you like them apples?
You know, I think you might be onto something. What about these guys? I don't see them being real-life people. Or this one.
Wer ist das? Das frage ich mich auch. Oh, Erinnerung. Erinnerung.
You better hurry, or the Mad Hunter will catch us! We need to hide. This way!
Oh.
What's going on? I don't know. Is he here? Is he really here? I don't know. I'm scared. Go away! Yeah! Go back to the forest!
I forgot about that. We'd been pretending he was there.
And then, suddenly he was.
That was the only time that happened, right? Allison? Wait. It felt way too real. It was...
Us. Pushing our imagination way too far.
Okay.
Great. Sam Kansky, Grandmaster of Bad Timing. We're not done with this conversation.
Ja, Sam, jetzt warte doch schnell.
Ahoy, goblins!
Hat der Bier dabei?
I ran into Chief Brown, who said you were starting the cleanup on the house this morning, so, I kind of figured you might need some supplies.
That's... Thank you. That was very thoughtful.
So listen, I wanted to apologize for scaring you yesterday.
You didn't. Your shotgun did.
Yeah, well, anyway, I also came by to say I fired up the Google and I did some reading. I didn't know the difference between all those words. I mean, never been much of a reader. Huh? But I think I get why what I said was wrong, and I'm real sorry. Oh, and before I forget, for the lady of the house. It was her mom's favorite recipe. Still make it darn near every week. Think of her every time.
Thanks. But we don't have a stove. Still no electricity.
Oh yeah, the fuse box is busted. Just another thing I've been meaning to put back together around here.
Where is it? I can take care of it.
Oh, I don't doubt you can. But, I've been kicking this thing back to life for the last 20-some years. I'll give you a hand.
All right.
Okay.
Box is in the barn. Follow me.
We'll be right behind you.
That apology was something.
Come on. We need lights. So be nice to the helpful man.
Also, da sind wir auch noch nie drin gewesen, hä? Okay, ready.
So, how's school?
I graduated already. Outdoor studies.
Oh, outdoor studies, huh? Well, it's a good thing I came along when I did. You know, I built this here barn for your mama.
It really helped, yeah.
You really helped her out, huh?
Now, you know, just a few chores here and there. I was glad to help. Your mother, she... No. I could never bring myself to leave her high and dry. Anyways, let me find that darn key.
Wait, Sam. You have more of our keys?
Yeah. The one for the barn's called a railroad key. See, it's got this special tip that you can...
Fascinating. I'll take that off your hands now.
I figured I might still need to do some maintenance, so,
Nope. We're good.
Nope.
Thank you.
Fair warning, door's a bit temperamental.
Haven't you been taking care of this place? You didn't oil the doors?
What? You think I just hang out here all day or something?
Ja,
Here,
das
sir.
habe ich schon vermutet. Ja.
Okay, when you twist it as far as you can to the left, give it a nice little jerk.
Damn it.
Ja, ich gehe mal rein da.
Well, at least the door's open now.
Yeah, that's easy enough to fix. Now, that fuse box.
All right. Fuses go into plugs. Should be easy enough.
Aber, also. Muss mich da schnell orientieren. Hä? Okay.
Look at what? The whole jam needs to be replaced.
Nah, just need to sand that part down. You could refinish the whole thing, but that's a lot of work for an old door.
We'll have to use 15 amp fuses for the garage, amps total up to 120 amp. For the whole house. Also 15 amp für die Garage. Und insgesamt 120. Garage ist 6. Also, let's go.
Pass me
Das
that hand.
ist,
Yeah, sure.
das ist schon drin. Und es muss einfach 120 zusammen sein.
What happened? You okay?
Ja, jetzt. Was kann ich nicht tun?
Ball. Football? In college?
High school. Best damn fullback around. Till I got hurt.
Schnell überlegen.
That's rough.
30, 20, 15. Ist das gleich, wenn ich das jetzt mache? Also 30.
Let's try this one.
30.
Problem must be the latch.
No shit.
Ja, da geht gar nicht auf. Moment, jetzt schnell.
All in line.
Lass mal, es geht auf. Nein, es geht nicht auf.
Door latch.
Ähm,
Cheap tequila.
jetzt haben wir 60. Was kann ich noch rein tun?
A margarita? Really?
Hey, sometimes old Sam likes to feel fancy.
Nein, da geht es nicht auf. Also rausnehmen, den Siechten. 15. 15. Dann haben wir 60, dann noch 20er,
Here, hold this. I want to get a look at this.
noch 15.
Shouldn't we get this cleaned up before we put it back together?
I just want to check something. Hey,
Wait, that's not right. Hey, moving
Hol mir
on.
nicht raus. Hol mir nicht raus.
Alright.
women, huh?
Don't do that, Sam.
Ja, bitte.
Did you read the note next to the box?
Ich habe es wahrscheinlich nicht richtig verstanden. Oder ich kann nicht rechnen. Ich muss jetzt nochmal. Also, lieber Chat, könnt ihr mir helfen? Wir haben 15 Amps haben wir schon drin anscheinend. Da.
Well, don't stick your nose in there.
Insgesamt brauchen wir 120
Mill
for the whole house.
doors. They're on the north side, so no sunlight.
Sounds like the builder really screwed that up, huh?
Hey now, watch yourself.
We just need to clean it with turpentine.
Das heisst, wir haben 105 und wir müssen verteilen.
Probably.
Was habe ich denn jetzt gemacht? 30,
I usually air out the barn much as I can. Oil
60,
spring.
80,
Hell no.
95. Okay, es geht, nicht, es geht natürlich nicht ganz auf. 10 sind zu wenig, das heisst, du kannst auf die Farbe gehen. Kann ich wirklich auf die Farbe gehen? Bin ich jetzt da viel zu weit am Überlegen?
Little silver bit. It needs to be forced back onto the
Warte jetzt mal schnell. Aber
Probably what was jamming it.
ja, das könnte schon noch sein. He?
Probably so. You got a good head for this stuff.
Also, Gel habe ich ja schon.
Only person who used to fix stuff around here.
Das Rote hat gestummen. Da, was habe ich da rein? Da habe ich...
Yeah, so,
Ah, okay, ja, es gibt wirklich Farbe. Also warte, jetzt tue ich da 20er rein.
Right? Well, can't sell a house with a broken door, now can you? I'll fix her up for you.
thanks.
Da auch ein 20er. Was ist denn... Dann ist das ein 15er da. Dann blau. 15. Und nochmal ein 20er. Gut. Da müsste ich stimmen.
Seems good.
Ja, danke, Andrea. Merci. Ha!
You damn fool.
Everything okay?
You two look like you got this all in hand, so, bye.
What was that about?
Ist er jetzt schon weg? Okay.
What are we gonna do with this wreck?
Take it apart, sell the scrap?
Ich wollte es mir noch schnell anschauen. Vielleicht.
Be my guest. But it sure looks like a pile of junk to me.
Where you see junk, I see dollars.
Huh, look at this. I think this is where she made all her toys. She was so crafty.
And she could draw and write and take pictures.
She could have been an artist instead of just locking herself up out here. Toilet paper tubes, rope, cardboard.
Maybe a car? Ooh, or a tank. Hey there, little buddy.
I hate spiders.
If we end up living together, you should know my house has a no spiders rule.
Well, in my house, we don't kill them.
Ugh. You can take them outside then. Preda rep. What's that?
Wolf pee.
Ew, what?
Do not spill it on your shoes.
Ja, erzähl.
I sense a story.
Well, if by story you mean using it at fireweed to get rid of some rats, and then spilling it on my only pair of shoes.
Okay.
I wonder why Sam got so upset.
Oh, he probably forgot he was all out of bourbon.
Well, something about it really got to him.
I don't think any of us are exactly happy to see that gun rack.
Mm-hmm.
Remind me to take it down later. Oh man, I'm gonna put together the sweetest toolbox ever.
Was weiss echt der Sam sonst noch? Ist da noch etwas?
Found Marianne's stash. Blueberry, salmonberry. Huh. Birch and fireweed?
Bet it tastes like restricted freedom and 9 p.m. lights out. Allison, do you know who this is?
Where?
What did you find?
Do you know who that is?
Yeah. That's Carol, Eddie's mom. I've seen other pictures of her, but never this one.
Man, look at Brown. And Marianne. She looks really happy.
Can I?
Careful, the glass is broken.
Ja, jetzt aber.
Are you okay? It stings. Let's go see Mom.
But she'll get mad. We weren't even supposed to be here.
Come on, it's gonna get infected.
I don't want to. She said not to disturb her and Eddie. Where are you going?
Things were different when she was around. We were family, Eddie. How could you do this to me?
Look. I had to make that call.
What were they talking about?
Ja.
I can't figure out what's going on.
I don't know, but I remember that whatever Eddie had to do, whatever that call was about, it was tearing him up.
Tearing him up? He was being a total cop, and Marianne got pissed and threw him out. Here, I'm gonna show you what I remember. Over here, Allison.
Ja, komm.
I had to make that call. I was just following the law.
Oh, yeah? And this little visit right here? What would the law say about this, huh?
Look, I didn't have to come out here, but I did.
You're a goddamn hypocrite. Get out of here.
Okay.
Marianne.
I said get out! Out!
What? She didn't throw the picture at him.
You sure about that? He was being a complete dick.
How can you be sure? We were eavesdropping. We could barely see a thing.
What do you think happened then?
Also, kommt jetzt meine Version.
Look. I had to make that call. I was following procedure. What I'm legally required to do.
Then why are you here? Pretty sure this isn't procedure.
I wanted you to hear it from me.
Please leave.
Marianne. I'm sorry.
Please just go.
How do we keep remembering the same things so differently?
It was a long time ago, and, well, memory's a tricky thing.
Wait, when did that happen?
I'm not sure. I think it was the exact same day she attacked you.
That's what I thought.
But Uncle Eddie said he hadn't seen Marianne for weeks.
Yeah, that was bullshit. And what was all that about following the law? What was he doing here exactly?
Keine Ahnung.
I don't know. I have no idea. We shouldn't jump to any conclusions.
Look, I know he took care of you, but that doesn't make him incapable of lying.
I can't see him being that cold with Marianne, even if he was being a cop.
I mean, I can, but who knows? I guess memory's a tricky thing, huh?
Nochmal. Oh, jetzt muss ich mich entscheiden. Ist sie sad oder angry gewesen?
Get out. You're a goddamn hypocrite. Get out of here.
Ich glaube, sie war sad gewesen.
Get out.
Chat, was würdet ihr nehmen? Andrea, was würdest du nehmen? Sad oder angry? Ich schätze sie eher als die, die eher traurig war.
Get out.
Mal schauen, wie es das nachher beeinflusst, die Story. Aber ich gehe jetzt mal auf sad. Wollen wir mal auf sad haben.
I know you were just doing your job, but I need you to go before you get in trouble. Please just get out of here.
Alright. Say Brown really felt bad about whatever he came out to tell her. It was still the day she attacked us. He still lied. Now what?
We go and get a straight answer from him.
Mhm.
Right now?
Yes.
Ja.
I'll go get my car keys.
Ab zum Eddie.
Trash do without us?
Fuck the trash.
Fuck the trash. Tyler würde gerne noch ein bisschen aufräumen.
Man, I can't believe Brown lied. I mean, I may not be the guy's biggest fan, but he's always talking about the truth and the law and shit.
Do you have to be so happy about it?
What?
I know you've been waiting for something like this. Something that proves Eddie's an asshole. But gloating about it is really not cool. It's Tina. I gotta take this. Yeah, just a sec. I'm parking the car.
Guess I'll just go stretch my legs then.
No, just give me a sec. Okay, Tina, what's going on?
Hi, hon. I've got someone who is super interested in seeing the house.
Oh, that's amazing. When?
They're just in the area for a couple of days, so they'd like to come by day after tomorrow.
Oh, I'm not sure it'll be ready.
Hun, this guy is very motivated, but I know he's looking at other properties. It's not like you've had people breaking down the door.
I appreciate that, but we've kind of got a lot going on over here.
Did I mention it would be an all-cash offer?
It's not the right time.
A cash offer, Allison.
I'm sorry, but it'll be a total mess. I don't want to waste anyone's time.
Okay, well, you tell me when you're ready.
Dee and I did that trail a couple years ago. We drank ice-cold beers when we reached the summit.
Tom. So, also.
Huh. Well, I think I just made Tina's shit list.
Oh, staan.
God, I'd love to be able to make something like this.
Is er nog maar iets gezien?
In a few weeks, you'll be able to climb to the top of that waterfall. With an ice pick.
So, weiter geht's. Wo ist der Tyler? Hallo? Sie will nicht alleine, hä? Dann gehe ich halt da vorne. Never hike alone. Okay, do not run. Also wenn wir in einem Bär begegnen, do not run. Hä? Stand your ground, wave your arms, talk loudly. Das kommt sicher noch ein Bär. Ah, da ist der Tyler.
Looks like you found a nice spot.
We've been here before. So, Tina?
Tina West, our realtor.
Oh, that Tina. What'd she need?
She had someone who wanted to see the house, but he could only come by day after tomorrow.
And you told her no?
Yeah. We need more time than that, to get things cleaned up and,
Thanks. But what if it's the only call we get?
And I guess we just grow old and lose our minds in that fucking house.
Sounds like a plan. So, before Tina called, we were talking.
Yeah?
I'm not happy your foster father fucked up.
Oh yeah? Because you sure sounded like it.
He hid information about Marianne.
I know! You just don't have to rub it in.
I get it. You're always gonna side with him over me.
Come on, that's not fair.
Then why do you keep doing it?
This town, these people, they're just memories to you. But it's my home, Tyler. My friends, my family. And as much as I want answers, I'd rather not lay waste to my entire life to get them.
I didn't come here to ruin your life, Allison. Just want some answers.
I know. That's why we're doing all this, right?
Eddie warned me about this.
Uncle Eddie warned me about this, but I didn't listen.
Oh yeah? What did Uncle Eddie have to say?
Okay.
Just that we've led pretty different lives. We might not really see eye to eye like we used to.
Ah, I see. Chief Brown said you shouldn't trust me, so you don't. Got it.
Oh, come on. I didn't say that. Is that really what you think?
I don't know. It's just that ever since I got back, I felt like I was crashing your party.
Well, that's all in your head, Ty. I'm not sure what else to say.
Was soll ich machen?
Hey, you feeling this?
Also, das ist eine Erinnerung.
Found you! North Star! Okay, now you're the star and I'm the compass. Okay, and don't cheat. I know you were sending me fake hints last time. I did not. Yes, you did. Okay, I won't do it again.
You were always accusing me of cheating.
Because you totally did.
It was a cool game. Guessing where you were just by feeling what you felt.
Little freaks.
Yeah. I can't believe we played it in public, though. We probably looked like tiny freaks shouting nonsense.
Well, we were freaks. But that's why we were awesome.
You never wished we fit in a little more? Not at all?
No, not really. I mean, we had each other. That was enough for me.
So, not too disappointed I turned down our chance to be billionaires?
Nah, all that money would have made me soft. And I've spent way too many years polishing my edgy side. You were right to call me out earlier.
Sie haben sich amigs falsche Signal geschickt.
I'm all for enjoying the wins as they come. But maybe not at the expense of my father figure?
I'll try my best. Hey, look what I found.
UA.
Aha! I knew it was still here.
I knew we'd been here before. We claimed it as part of the Ronin kingdom.
And it still is. All it needs is a little update.
Jetzt noch das Tee drin.
What are you doing?
What I wanted to do back then, but I didn't have the guts. There, looking better already.
You're right. Way better.
So, what's the plan?
We go inside and calmly ask Eddie why he was there that day.
All right.
Let's try to let him get his side of the story out, okay?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. I understand, Mr. Barrow. I'll be sure to let him know. Yes, I have it all written down. Have a good day, Mr. Barrow. Morning, Missy.
How'd you get stuck working reception?
Rose called in sick this morning. I'm covering for her while I try to get my paperwork done. What are you doing here?
Just checking in with Uncle Eddie.
I'm guessing from the identical features that this is Tyler?
Tyler, Denise, Denise, Tyler.
Wilson, could you tell Officer Vincenzi that I'll be... Oh, good morning, Allison.
Hi, Uncle.
I'm gonna take Dr. Torres' statement. No need for Vincenzi to come back to the station.
He doesn't seem like he's in the best of moods.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but he's been a little off all day. Good luck.
Tyler.
You don't have to whisper. You're in my head.
Right. Apparently Eddie's not in a great mood, so what we said outside goes double.
Oh, hello, kids.
Hello, middle-aged adult.
Everything all right? Your uncle said you two were going to be knee-deep in trash for a few days.
A few days? That's optimistic. It feels like every time we clear out a drawer, 2 more just appear out of thin air.
Ah, yes. You got my sympathies. When we emptied Linda's parents' house, I thought we'd have to rent a backhoe.
How is Linda? I feel like I haven't seen her in months.
Good. Yeah, she started working over at the high school as the light brick.
Oh boy, fire drills. Everybody's favorite way to slack off.
Hey, is that your desk? Huh? I didn't think so. Come on.
Right. Sorry.
Dr. Torres, you said your daughter was with you during the incident?
Yes, she was.
I'll need her information too then. Can you give me her name and date of birth?
Okay.
Wenn wir recht schnell warten, bis er fertig ist.
2009.
Henderson. Different last name?
Yes, her father's. My ex-husband.
Does she live with you most of the time?
No, her father has primary custody. Because of my hours. She stays with me on the weekends.
Ich mache jetzt mal Talk.
Morning, Chief Brown.
Good morning, Tyler.
Hey, could we talk to you in private? It's a little urgent.
Can you excuse me for a second, Dr. Torres? What's going on, you two?
We had a few more questions about her mother.
Look, now's not the best time.
Well, maybe we can come back later then?
Excuse me. Come on. Guys, I'm understaffed today. I've got a receptionist out sick, an officer dealing with personal issues. I need to finish taking this woman's statement, and I don't have time to chat right now.
We were just hoping for some answers.
Well, I don't know what more you think I'm going to say. I already told you everything. I need to get back to this complaint. Sorry, guys.
be stubborn like that. So what now?
Of course.
Also, what now?
Where were we?
Well, he's obviously not going to give us the truth. So I say we go get it ourselves. Where do you think they'd stash her file?
I don't know. The archive room? Maybe Eddie's office? Wait, you're not seriously thinking of breaking and entering a police
Mal.
archive?
Mal. Also gehen wir mal rauf. Das fällt sicher niemandem auf, wenn wir da... Okay. Ja, ist gut.
Yeah, everything's fine. We're just, I was just telling Tyler where the upstairs bathroom is.
Tyler, help me out here.
Oh, yeah. Toilet emergency. Lake water. You know, Mother Nature's juice cleanse.
There's a bathroom just past the break room. Behind you. First door on your right.
Forget it, Tyler. There's no way we're getting upstairs out in the open like this. It's too suspicious. There must be another way up.
There was a fire drill notice on Vincenzi's desk. Are there any kind of fire exits?
Oh my god. Why didn't I think of that? Lobby. Now.
Wo ist die Lobby? Ah.
All right. Let's see. There. Fire exit.
It opens up to a staircase on the side of the building, but it'll definitely be locked from the inside. If one of us were to create a diversion, the other could slip upstairs and open the door. And since you're the troublemaker, I nominate you as the one to make a scene.
Wait, really?
Got a better idea?
Not really. No.
Right. Let's go.
Also jetzt komme ich wirklich noch nicht raus. Einer muss aussen rum und... Create a distraction. Ja, da bringe ich sicher irgendwie her.
Guess I probably can't trip the circuit breaker, but I could turn the lights off.
Just go. Improvise.
Ich kann schauen noch schnell, ob es noch etwas anderes gibt als einfach nur ein Licht.
What about those missing people posters? I could pretend I've seen someone.
Yeah, sure. Might work.
Ja, komm, das klingt doch gut.
Officer, I think I saw her. I saw that girl.
Oh, which one?
Stella Reyes. I'm positive I saw her when we stopped to get coffee on the way in from Juneau. At Tommy's, right off the Marine Highway.
Oh. Yeah, I don't think that was her, kid. Stella Reyes' body was found about 50 miles south of Anchorage.
Dude.
Oh, man. Poor girl.
Yeah, I forgot to take that poster down. I'm sorry.
Tyler.
Ja. Ja.
How about saying someone's climbing the fence?
Really?
I could pretend they're outside, trying to break in.
All right.
Was? Nein. Da gibt es doch sicher etwas Besseres.
That pile of paperwork?
What about it?
I could tip it over.
Kinda messy, but I mean, sure.
Also, da probieren wir.
Jesus, Tyler, what happened?
Sorry, I wasn't looking where I was going.
Just
Sehr
leave
gut.
that there.
Nichts passiert. Alles easy.
All right. I'm in position.
What now?
Turn right when you exit the station and
Mm,
follow the
yes.
side of the building. The staircase will be right there. You heading out?
Yeah, I need a smoke.
You should think about quitting. Only gets harder the longer you do it.
Yeah, I know.
While you're at it, get your sister to stop too.
There's winter air.
Okay, I'm by the door. Come on.
Ja, das ist... Moment, jetzt mal schnell. Auf dieser Seite.
Quick, get in. Oh God, what did I just do?
You took control of your destiny. Own it.
Also, let's go. Ja,
The Delos police force is getting a new officer.
Finally. If Eddie catches us in here.
There's no turning back now.
also, let's go. Schnell, schnell. Ja, Collectible, das nehme ich mit. Ja, das ist sicher nichts, was wir brauchen. Vielleicht da hin.
Personnel files, apartment budgets, and 0 case
Da
logs.
hin.
Looks like this is where Brown keeps all his personal mail. You applied to a summer drama program back in 2009?
I did, but they rejected me. Michael and I were supposed to go together. He went, but I was stuck here for this.
Looks like he's working with the Office of Child Services on the case.
None of our business.
Why is Brown on a first-name basis with the director of Fireweed? Oh,
What'd you find?
it's an invoice. Eddie Brown, you'll find enclosed the final invoice for resident Tyler Ronan. The Fireweed administration would like to thank you for all of the support you've given us over the years.
I knew Eddie pulled some strings to send you there, but that's a lot of money.
More backdoors and secret moves.
Maybe he didn't want to make you uncomfortable.
Well, now I feel like I'm in his debt.
Okay. Wo ist das Zeug? Das ist es sicher.
Chief of Delos Crossing hosts charity events? Let's put the Vecchies next to...
Can you not?
Wir haben keine Zeit für da jetzt. Da.
You finding anything?
No.
How old is Brown?
38.
Oh, wow. Graduated really young.
Youngest officer to ever join the DCPD.
Haben wir da noch etwas vergessen? Das sind 3 Sachen gesehen.
Looks like this is where Brown keeps all his personal mail.
Da haben wir nichts mehr. Das haben wir aufgemacht.
Brown really wants everyone to know what a fine, upstanding citizen he is, doesn't he?
He's a genuinely good person. And saying that here makes me feel even worse.
Ja, ist da außerhalb noch etwas? Das Armory.
I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but maybe there's something in Eddie's
Ja,
office.
ja, ist gut. Ich habe es begriffen, dass es da muss sein. Was habe ich noch nicht gesehen? Was habe ich noch nicht gesehen? Ich mache jetzt nochmal die Schublade auf und schaue mir in dem Fall das Ding nochmal an.
Though we are destined to burn, we emerge as stardust.
Is that? Oh no.
Oh, yes.
Burn it. Burn it with fire.
Though we are destined to burn, we emerge as stardust.
Is that? Oh no.
Oh, yes.
Burn it. Burn it with fire.
Was gibt's denn da noch?
The police chief of Delos Crossing hosts charity events?
Huh? Oh, yeah. The community social. He volunteered to help. And since he pretty much knows everyone, and more importantly, who's called the cops on who, he's in charge of the seating chart.
Explore Eddie's office. Oh, das haben wir noch nicht
This guy has a record, and not a short one. Why is he even in the running?
Eddie has a really hard time hiring people out here. I don't think he has a choice.
There's always a choice.
Oh.
Seriously?
Oh.
You're gonna try to hack into his computer?
Natuurlijk.
Whoa. Brown looked at our file this morning.
Wait, what? What does that mean?
I don't know. But there's a reference number. R68653. Huh. Tom invited Eddie over for dinner?
Oh, yeah. He's been trying way too hard to get Eddie's endorsement.
Does he? Support Tom?
He preferred staying neutral.
One of his emails mentioned the archives. That's gotta be where our file is.
Also Archives auf dem PC oder in richtig? Gehst jetzt zu Shows? Ja, du gehst jetzt Shows. Also gut, da komme ich mit. Ja, da habe ich ja vorher eine Welle.
Please tell me you know what the code is.
To the highly confidential police archive?
Then how am I supposed to open the door?
I spent hours playing next to this room. I'd see people go inside all the time. The keypad does this little tune. Dum-da-dee-doo.
Seriously?
Go on, try.
Das soll mir jetzt helfen. Also ich nehme an, es sind die 4 Tasten, die da recht abgenutzt sind. Oh. Oh, mal schauen. Das ist nicht richtig. Also, Dam. Da. Nein, nein, das war das Ding. Dam, da, di, du. Was war jetzt da gewesen? Mein Gott. Dam. Nein. Dam. Da. Die. Du.
Yes.
Ha.
Looks like they're finally going digital.
Oh, that's right. I remember Eddie complaining about this. They're gonna have to resort everything.
Great.
They've digitized their closed files, but only the ones before 1990.
Meaning?
Meaning our file is still somewhere in those boxes.
Perfect. A room of scattered case files and a half-done sorting system.
Yep. This is gonna be so fun for you.
Yay.
Go keep a lookout.
Ja. Das ist gut,
Wait.
danke.
Why do I have to be the one stuck with box duty?
Because if anyone sees me, I'll have a better excuse for being there.
Nope. Not this one either. No, that's not it. Nope.
What? Well,
Not this one either.
Also,
No, that's not it.
you finding anything?
Nope. Not this one either. No, that's not it. Nope.
Well,
Not this one either.
ich vergesse immer da ihr zu antworten.
That's not it.
you finding anything?
What was that reference number again? 05 R68 653.
That's
Here we go.
also.
Looks like a step-by-step record of the investigation.
Tutti non ce l'ho.
Well,
So far, I'm not seeing anything we didn't know already. It does reference some other files and audio recordings, though.
you might be able to look those up on the computer. Even if our file hasn't been digitized yet, they may already have it in the appendix.
Okay. Also Computer.
Alright, I'm in. You can search by keywords. What should I look for?
I don't know. Mary Ann Ronan? March 1st, 2005?
Oh. Also Crime Report zuerst mal. Das ist... Oh shit.
References.
Kann ich das jetzt auch anschauen? 05 R62.
05 R62 766. Nope. Not this one either. Where's the damn box?
Well,
Habe ich jetzt verpasst? Das ist ja nicht da, was wir schon haben. Oder schon? Hä? Jetzt komme ich nicht mehr raus. Moment. Wir haben... Also wir haben 05 R61, 05 R62.
Check out 05 R62 766.
Ist das nicht da, was wir da haben? Ich komme echt nicht mehr raus.
I have her autopsy report.
Aha.
She...
Moment. Nimm's wieder. Nimm's wieder.
She drowned. The stab wound was non-fatal.
Also sie ist ertrunken und ich habe es jetzt auch wieder weggelegt. Okay. Ich nehme an, er hat jetzt das schnell gelesen in dieser Zeit. Recording. Ariana Ronan, nein. Da haben wir etwas.
Delos Crossing Police Department.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, I can hear you.
It's my mom. She fell in the water and she's not coming up.
Okay, where are you now?
Home. We're home.
Are you alone? Where's your dad?
It's just me and my sister.
All right, honey, can you give me your address?
12 Cannery Road. Please, hurry.
Just stay right where you are, okay? We're sending someone out to help you.
Don't hang up.
Haben wir noch mehr Recordings? Das ist da, was wir jetzt schon gelost haben. He?
Reference is 05R61 889. There. Found a summary of everything. Wow, this is a real detective novel. Brown's quite the wordsmith.
He's not a writer, Tyler.
Oh, das wissen wir alles schon. So ein kurzes Update bitte. Ich lese jetzt da noch schnell fertig, Warlock. Dann versuche ich da mal schnell zusammenzufassen. Bist du erst jetzt gekommen? Und grüezi. Okay.
Shit.
Ja, was kommt eben?
What do I do? What do I do?
Was machst du? Stall him.
Stall him? No shit, Sherlock.
Muss ich noch etwas machen überhaupt? Ah, jetzt kann ich nicht mal am PC. Oh shit, jetzt bin ich zu spät gewesen. He?
Okay, I need to check 05 R63 325.
Also 05363. Sicher auch dort.
No, that's not it. Okay, here it is. Well, that's a picture I definitely don't want to keep.
Okay. Ja. Ei. Sonst noch etwas?
Here. Bingo. Reference is 2005 201546.
2015. 2015, oder? Ah, shit. Jetzt bin ich mir nicht sicher. Das ist es. Ah, das ist es.
Wait, what the hell? Tessa accused her of child neglect.
Okay. Ah, jetzt noch mehr.
Tessa's name came up.
Mhm. Tessa.
Got something. Here. Okay, I need to check out 0501 COM.
5 So.
There. Jesus, unbelievable. Allie, Tessa called fucking social services on us, and Eddie went along with it.
What?
Where are you? What's going on?
Okay.
I need to get moving.
Also gut. Dann gehen wir. Also der Eddie,
I'm sorry, Tyler. I couldn't stop.
Tessa hat angerufen. Und der Eddie hat es gemacht.
Get out.
Uncle, I didn't mean
I'm
to.
not gonna repeat myself.
You're a goddamn hypocrite.
I said move it.
Hey! Get off me!
Rather spend the night here? Come on!
I said don't fucking touch me!
Go on. And consider yourselves lucky you're family.
You wanna talk about family, Eddie? I guess family calls social services when you're having a hard time, huh? and then breaks the law to gloat that you're gonna lose your fucking kids. It's your fault she lost it, Eddie. You and Tessa and everyone else in this goddamn town.
Okay. Let's talk.
Jetzt haben sie einmal mal alle gehört, das ist doch schön. Also, Eddie, red.
The winter before your mother's death was hard. Delos Crossing was snowed in for months. Most roads were closed and plane supplies were scarce. Everyone was struggling.
Especially Marianne.
Yeah. She was always just scraping by. And that winter left nothing to scrape up. Even if locals had found time to help her. I'm not sure your mother would have accepted.
You're saying Tessa reported her mother because she was having supply issues?
Tessa came to me because she was honestly concerned.
Right.
I was legally required to report Tessa's complaint, even if I didn't agree.
So you took her word for it and called child services?
Failure to provide adequate food, lack of appropriate supervision, inattention to a child's psychological care. Like it or not, she had a case.
What? It's bullshit.
Just following the law then. Right.
Is that why you came over that day, before she died? You felt shitty, didn't you? That's why you broke procedure?
I had to warn her that it was happening and that it wasn't looking good. An assessment worker had been assigned and started doing background checks. What else was I supposed to do?
That always telling each other the truth was our #1 rule.
Still is, little moose.
And yet you still lied.
I didn't want you two putting yourselves through unnecessary hurt. But you're adults and that was your choice to make. I'm truly sorry.
Thank you, Uncle.
That's bullshit.
What? It's bullshit. You didn't forget to water your goddamn plants. He lied. You know what? Never mind. Eddie, you keep trying to point your finger at Tessa, but you have to take responsibility for your part in our mother's death.
I've asked myself over and over for the past 10 years what I could have done different. I know I made a big mistake with you two here. And you've got every right to be angry. Being a father, well, it's a pretty tough job. I've tried my best. And I'd like to try my best with you too, Tyler, if you want it.
Ja, du. Ja, vielleicht. Lass es versuchen.
But it's gonna take some time before we're a big, happy family.
I respect that. It's hard work rebuilding trust. But you've got a place here whenever you need it. Group hug?
No.
Absolutely not.
All right, I'm really gonna have to.
Okay.
Well, that went better than I was afraid it would.
Ja, Warlock, du hast... Was hast du verpasst? Das war jetzt eigentlich so ein bisschen der interessanteste Teil, den du jetzt wahrscheinlich mitbekommen hast. Vorhin waren wir in der Hütte, der Sam ist noch mal vorbeigekommen. Der Sam hat ein bisschen Supplies gebracht. Dann sind wir noch ins Barn reingegangen, wo an der Wand noch einmal die Shotgun gehangen ist. Und der Sam ist dort so ein bisschen emotional geworden und ist gegangen. Jetzt weiss ich noch nicht so genau, aber ja, ich nehme an, es hat ihn noch an den Moment erinnert, wo halt die Mutter da ein bisschen durchgetragen ist mit dieser Shotgun. Ja. Dann sind wir endlich losgefahren und sind direkt hingekommen. Ich weiss es schon gar nicht mehr. Etwa so.
Allison,
What?
you feel like shit.
How can you tell?
Because I feel
Das
like...
war übrigens im Sam's Square gewesen. Ist das,
What are you gonna do about Tessa?
ist das vorhin in der Akte drin gestanden?
Look, we're not gonna do anything. That's enough, Tyler. Talk to Tessa? Why? What are you looking for? What are you expecting her to say?
I thought she loved us.
Mhm.
Really?
Chief Brown, is it true? Is she... Oh my God. Children,
Tessa. Tessa, you need to leave. Come on, kids.
Everything is going to be all right, okay? You're going to be okay, I promise.
Go home. You can't be here right now.
Oh God. Oh God.
Und da sind wir wieder in diesem Store.
Where is everybody?
Tessa's gotta be around somewhere.
I think I'm hearing something.
Well,
Waffenschrank. Oh yeah. Jetzt kann ich endlich an die Waffen nehmen.
but given who is here, we can't count out the rapture quite yet. I need to take a breather. I'm gonna do a bit of shopping. You look for Tessa, okay?
On it.
Ja, sie kann nicht an vielen Orten sein, oder? Oh, der Tom.
What do you mean? We've got enough signatures. It should have at least been enough to stall construction while we figure out our next move. Well, why don't we schedule a meeting with the Alaska Wildlife Foundation? Try to get their support. Look, Harold, I have to go. We can pick this up at the meeting. I should be on my way over soon. Hello, Tyler. Can I help you?
Ja.
Hey, I hope this isn't a bad time, but is Tessa around today?
She had to step out for a family matter. This wouldn't be something I could help with, would it?
Yeah, maybe, actually. We were over at the police station and we took a look at Marianne's case file.
Okay.
Tessa reported Marianne to social services. Did you know?
Vaguely. But I didn't get involved. I didn't think I really had anything to add.
You never thought to mention it?
Well, now, I'm not sure how a thing like that would have come up. And I didn't want to rub salt in any wounds.
Huh. How about when we were in the store yesterday asking about it point blank?
That was between you and Tessa. I try to stay out of other people's affairs.
Why did Tessa come to the police station that night?
She was looking for you two, to make sure you were okay. When she heard what happened, she was a mess.
How exactly did she hear about it so fast?
Can't remember who called, but you know how it is. No news travels faster than a secret. Everyone knew 5 minutes after Brown was on his way out.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Look, I'm sorry if you felt resistance from people around here.
To put it mildly.
Allison, you know this better than anybody. But your mother's death left a scar on this community. Now, I won't claim we went through anything close to what you did, but it was a cruel reminder of the limits of trust.
Wir brauchen die
We
Wahrheit.
want to get past the limits of trust. We all need to face what happened, which means being completely honest about it.
We all want to find peace, kids. It's just harder for some people to talk about the past. Now, you let me know if you have any other questions, okay?
Hey,
Yes?
you said I should remind you not to be late for your meeting, so don't be late.
Yep. I'll be on my way in a minute. So, kids, was there anything else you two wanted to talk to me about?
Did you ever hear any rumors about our mother? Like, who her father might have been?
Das würde mich wundern.
Exactly a rumor monger. Your mother was close to a few men, but whether they were your father, I couldn't say. But look, oh, gosh. I'm sorry. I really have to go. Michael, could you finish up the storage room and then just close up?
Yeah, sure thing, boss man.
See you later.
You two want to help a brother out, spend the afternoon here working for free?
Merci, ist gut.
Why not?
Okay, dann
I
halt.
came here to talk to Tessa, and she's not here.
She's at the cemetery, visiting her parents.
Oh,
Hey, tell you what. Why don't you guys help me close the store, and then we can drive over together? I've been meaning to pay my uncle a visit.
can't we just wait for her to come back here? I'm not really excited about going there.
Allison, we don't have to visit her grave.
I'm gonna start working in the storage room. Tyler, join me when you're done.
Sure thing. Just give me a sec.
Ja, Waffenschrank.
Where'd that question about our father come from?
I've just been thinking about who he might be. And if he knows anything that could help us figure this shit out.
Why? He wasn't a part of our lives. Besides, Marianne always said we never had a father.
Well, her name might have been Mary, but I don't think she was a likely candidate for Immaculate Conception. Hey, so you look less than thrilled with the plan.
Yeah, like I said, I am not stoked to be going to the cemetery.
I know, but I'll be there too. And Michael.
I'm not sure I want to drag him into this.
Hey, he offered. He wants to be there for you.
For me, huh? Well, we need to get the store closed, so go give him a hand.
Yep. Wo ist er denn?
Alright, I already counted there, but I just need you to double check a few things. It's not complicated.
Klar.
I've got this in the bag.
Oh yeah? These are just that good, huh?
I mean, it's just counting stuff on a shelf, right?
Yeah, let's start with an easy one. Go to the back of the room and tell me how many cans of Molto Bene brand tomato sauce we have left.
Aye, aye.
Das ist nicht da, was ich muss anschauen. Sassy. Hoi Larissa, hoi. Wo zum Teufel muss ich hin? Ja. Molto bene.
Hold on. Let me count this.
Ah, jetzt muss ich wirklich noch zählen. 6, 12, 14.
There's 14 cans of Malta Bene tomato sauce.
Okay. Sounds about right.
Man, I'm so good at this.
That was easy. I need you to count the bottles of bleach for me.
Bleach. Where is the bleach? Ist Bleach da? Ja.
On it.
Ja, das sind insgesamt 6.
6?
All right. Not bad, Tyler. Not bad.
Careful. They might give me your job.
Oh, you can have it.
What's next?
Come here and help me with this.
Yeah.
What's up?
I need your opinion on this masterpiece.
Let's talk.
Is that supposed to be me?
Yeah, come on. Look at the hair. Nailed it, right?
Ah, ist doch cool.
Honestly, it's beautiful.
Hey, don't make fun of me.
I'm not. Oh, maybe a little bit, but I like it. For real.
Well, it helps to have a good model.
So, this is what you're up to while I was out there doing your work?
What can I say? I'm a multitasker.
Hey, multitasker, I think you made a mistake here. Total amount should be 36.
Oh, how dare you, sir?
What? I just don't want you to get in trouble.
Yeah, you're right. You know, I'm off my game today.
Alright, anything else you wanted me to check?
Yep, one last thing, and then we should be free from this purgatory.
Hit me.
Can you count how many plushies we have in that box over there?
Plushies. The box.
Okay.
Welche Box?
Why am I standing here looking at this?
In welcher Box denn? Aha, ja. Da war irgendeine Box gewesen.
I wonder what's in that box.
It's in the box! Du, sag mir wenigstens, wo sie sind. Oder noch mehr dazu sagen? Nein.
This entire room is full of boxes.
Ja.
It's gonna take me a while.
It's way in the back, not too far from the restaurant door.
Die Tür.
I wonder what's in that box.
Gut. Oh. Ah.
So...
Oh. Ja, jetzt aber, hä? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 11.
You've got about 11 left in that box. Did I get it wrong? Michael?
Was ist jetzt?
Ouch,
What?
what the fuck?
Hey, sorry. It was just too tempting.
What the hell? What the hell geht jetzt ab?
Lesson number 1 in the ancient art of inventory. Never let your guard down.
You have no idea what you just started. First one with 3 confirmed hits wins. Cool?
Was muss ich...
Oh, damn it.
What the hell? Ist die Steuerung da? Ah. Shoot, aha.
Gotcha.
Oh, Minigames. Wunderschön. Und zeigt. Oh mein Gott.
So, is this a typical workday for you?
Nah, I usually don't have such good-looking
Komm,
company.
steh auf.
Oh, so I'm good-looking company, huh?
Yeah, well, don't let it get to your head. I'm still destroying you.
Dude, komm vorne. Ah!
Boom.
So, jetzt können wir dann langsam aufhören mit dem Seichten.
Prepare to feel my wrath.
Das ist schon unglaublich. Das ist echt unglaublich. Ja, jetzt muss ich wieder zurück.
Hey, is it cool that we're throwing these toys around? Aren't you guys gonna, like, sell them?
Nah, supplier made a typo on Becky. Can't sell any of them.
Cool.
Ja. Also, ja. Irgendwie schon. Dann wäre es aber dann langsam ein bisschen komisch. Dann. So, ah.
Damn, overshot it.
Ja, komm jetzt.
Yo, we
Dude.
gotta wrap this up soon.
Ja, ich würde auch sagen. Come on.
Damn, overshot it.
So, jetzt aber. Fertig jetzt da mit dem Seich. Haben die kleine Toms als Figuren?
Man, you're good.
I told you not to doubt the golden arm.
Well, we'll never make that mistake again. Okay. I'll need to finish this inventory thing real quick. Your sister's probably done already. Here. Let's hit the bitch's grotto.
The what?
Fancy name for the couch where Allison and I sit during breaks.
Ah, alright, cool. Let me see what you've done with the place.
So,
Oh, hey, see that container?
Pizza.
That's for you.
Huh?
It's the trout I caught yesterday at the buzzard hole. Grilled it up with my world-renowned marinade.
Oh, wow. Thank you. World-renowned marinade, huh? What's in it?
A magician never reveals his secrets.
Is this Chief Brown?
Yeah.
Are you guys related, or...?
Nah, but same clan.
So what's your take on him?
He's a pretty alright guy, all things considered.
All things considered?
Like, with him being a cop and all, I mean, it's good to see someone from the clan getting shit done. And he really cares about the community. We need someone like him on top. And I'm done.
Ja, endlich. Also.
I gotta tell you, it's so weird to finally meet the other Ronin.
You mean the OG Ronin? I was born first, you know.
Is that so? Thought Allison said she was.
Well, our mother never actually told us, but it was me. So, why is it so weird to meet me?
Because I just heard Allison tell your story so many times. She told me everything about you. Fireweed, your transition. I hope that's okay, by the way.
Yeah, it's fine. She asked me first.
Yeah, figures. That lady is thorough and she loves you like crazy.
I know. So, yeah, You were probably the first person to know about it other than Allison.
I'm glad he trusted me. And it's great to finally get to know you in the flesh. You're pretty alright.
Thanks. That's nice of you to say.
I mean it. I'm glad Allison has you back. You're gonna be a positive influence for her. I know it. We are not gonna let her die a slow death in QuickBooks. So I wasn't blowing smoke when I said you should move to Juneau with us.
No.
I've got a community there. Could be yours too.
Fitting in. There's a concept.
You have no idea how life-saving a chosen family can be. They pulled me out of the dark more times than I can count.
I hear you. Hey, can I ask you a question?
Of course. Shoot.
Why do you care so much if I move to Juneau?
Look, like I said, I want to get to know you.
Because I'm just that fascinating, huh?
Honestly, yeah. You might be one of a kind, Tyler Ronan.
Ja.
Thank you for that, but I think you might be looking for something I'm not right now.
Shit, did I make this awkward?
No, you didn't. Don't worry. I'm just all over the place right now.
Of course. Yeah, I get it. Sorry about that.
It's really fine. I appreciate the compliment, though.
Oh, hey.
I've been standing at that counter for an hour waiting for you two dum-dums to come back. Are you guys ready to go?
Ja.
I think we've done about as much damage as we can back here.
Yeah, let's go.
Also Larissa, wenn du noch am Zuschauen bist, hast du Chapter 1 auch schon ein bisschen mitgeschaut? Oder bist du erst jetzt so ein bisschen reingerutscht in die Story rein? So, ich brauche wieder mal ein bisschen Action. Ein bisschen Horror, ein bisschen irgendetwas. Bären, von mir aus.
Thanks for letting me hitch a ride over.
No problem. You sure we can't drive you back?
Nah, you're like stretching my legs. It isn't far. And anyway, can't put the wind in a bottle.
Du hast keine Ahnung, um was es geht. Also das Wichtigste, was du wissen musst, der Tyler da, also der Dude, den ich vorhin gespielt habe, er war früher ein Sie. Und sie ist die Schwester. Und in der Vergangenheit, als sie klein waren, hat anscheinend die Mutter den Tyler töten. Das haben wir in einem Flashback gesehen. Es ist auch irgendwie so ein bisschen übergegangen, aber man weiß noch nicht so genau, wieso.
I've never been a big fan of cemeteries.
Wir sind jetzt quasi ein bisschen auf der Suche nach diesen Antworten.
You know.
I promise after
Aber eben, merkt ihr das? Das war mal ein Sie. Das ist sehr wichtig für die Story. Habe ich etwas vergessen, lieber Chat? Sonst bitte einfach nur ergänzen. Das war jetzt sehr, sehr kurz zusammengefasst.
So, did you ever come back?
Shh, keep it down.
Better?
Much.
Why do people...
Und Larissa, die Andrea ist übrigens auch im Chat anwesend. Und Andrea, die Larissa, das wäre die Larissa. Transgender, richtig. Und was ich ganz vergessen habe, sie haben Powers, die beiden. Da, wo wir jetzt gerade sehen, sie können Erinnerungen abrufen und dann die wie abspielen und sie sehen es dann auch beide. Irgendwann vibriert es jetzt da, darum mache ich das jetzt gerade schnell.
Mom, why do we always come here?
Does it bother you?
No, it's just weird because we don't know any of these people. I mean, except Eddie's mom.
It never hurts to say hello.
Because they're very lonely.
That's right, sweetie. And sometimes, even if you can't see them, they I stay with you. In here. Always here.
Mom?
Always.
She loved us. A lot, but sometimes it was like loving us hurt her.
Do you think she was just really scared of losing us?
Maybe. Yeah. But I don't know. I mean, most parents are scared of losing their kids.
Also Tessa ist ja auch irgendjemand da. Habe ich das richtig mitbekommen? Tessa müsste auch da sein.
Well, here's the crooked tree,
Aber bevor...
but no Tessa.
Let's check around for her parents' grave, just to make sure this is the right spot.
You think it's possible Michael remembered it wrong?
Well, I've done inventory with him before, so yes.
Ist das der Michael?
When did Michael's uncle die?
Last year. It was really hard on him. He's still feeling it.
Wir gehen jetzt mal nicht stören. He?
Lost in the chaos of history. What's that mean?
Not sure, but Michael should know.
No dice.
So, how are you, holding up?
Everything's such a mess. I thought we'd almost be done packing by now. I'm so ready to put this place behind us. At least Mr. Hollywood Handsome over there is good company.
Funny how you never mentioned what your brother looked like before he got into town.
Oh, I just thought I'd surprise you.
Jetzt muss ich da das Grab suchen.
Hey, you do realize I can hear you, right?
Cover your ears, the grown-ups are talking.
Allison, you coming?
I'll be right there. Well, I better make sure he doesn't get lost.
Yazzie. Why does that sound familiar?
Yazzie Trucking. He used to haul lumber for the sawmill.
Oh, yeah. And he always blasts the horn for us. Not this one. De Leon.
That's the one.
Don't tell me we missed her.
Okay.
Hello, Mr. Eagle.
Kids. It's time.
Haben wir eine Erinnerung?
Do we really have to go, Eddie?
You can hold my hand if you want.
I can walk fine on my own.
It'll be quick, okay? Then we'll get something to eat.
The day of the funeral. I barely remember it.
That's probably for the best. I don't think either of us are exactly eager to relive what went on behind that gate.
So... I know I said we didn't have to visit her grave.
But it feels like the right thing to do.
Yeah, exactly.
Also. Wo ist es denn? Open the gate. Also gut. Wo ist the gate? Was ist mit dem Baum?
Wait, is this the one we called the Big Crookedy?
The exact one.
Why didn't we call it Gnarls Branching? Total missed opportunity.
Because we weren't hip to basketball back then? Or CeeLo Green?
Damn. I remember it going all the way up to the clouds.
Everything does when you're 4 feet tall.
Do you remember where she is?
No. I mean, for what it's worth, I remember staring at the water during the funeral.
Allison, please.
I'm not going!
Allison, come back!
hoped that this would be easier than last time. Totally gone.
At least this time no one's sending me away.
I'm holding you to that.
Oh, du bist Tessa, hä? Oh nein. Das ist nicht Tessa.
If we could see that.
Doesn't hurt to check.
Sorry.
You two know each other?
Welcome to Delos Crossing, where even the beavers have to shop at the Beckies.
Dann geht's noch weiter. Oh, Larissa, du hast immer noch Kurzarbeit, okay.
This spot's familiar.
Wer ist Carol Brown?
I forgot how hard Marianne took it when Eddie's mom died.
Ah, das ist, okay, ja. Mutter von Eddie.
She lost one of her only friends. She was always saying how she never would have found a place in Delos Crossing without Carol.
I think her death kicked off Marianne's, you know.
It definitely didn't help, but no. It was years later.
Okay.
I won't let them take you away. I'm gonna tell them the truth. You swore, Allison. I'm gonna be okay. Please, don't worry about me.
I know I'm supposed to get over this Brown thing, but I really wish you'd been able to come visit that much.
Yeah, me too, but look, I didn't make any promises that day. You did. Watch.
Ja, okay.
They all think you killed her. It's not fair. I'll be okay. You have to take care of yourself now.
See?
It's possible, but I don't think so.
Well, I know so. Thinking about it got me through
Bei uns ist es wie immer chaotisch, ja. Das ist es so. Das ist es so.
I'll be back. But I'm gonna come see you every week. And we'll talk with our voice every day. But soon, alright? Promise. I'll be back soon, alright? But I'm gonna come see you every week. And we'll talk with our voice every day.
Machen wir das.
Back soon, alright? Promise.
No, Google.
Chief Brown's gonna take care of you. We'll be okay. You'll see.
Kids. About to start.
I'm sorry it took me so long to come back. I got so caught up in everything that...
You really don't have to explain. I understand what you were going through now.
Are you ever gonna let me finish my sentences?
Maybe someday.
Ein Reorg. Nur eine kleine Reorg, so gesehen. Marketing intern. Find Marianne's Grave. Ja, wir sind jetzt hier eigentlich im Kreis gelaufen. Wir machen jetzt das einfach nochmal. Nein, kann man nicht an dir vorbei, Alison. Merci. Da und vielleicht auch da. Das haben wir vorher noch nicht können.
No dice.
Ah. Ja, okay.
Not hers.
Seht ihr so viel?
I remember. Where is she?
Oh, da ist sie. Marianne Ronan.
Allison.
Is that her?
What the hell was going on with you? What broke?
Why didn't you say anything? We were your goblins. You didn't have to do it all alone.
Tessa?
Tessa.
Kids, I wasn't expecting to see. What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Feeling a little guilty, maybe?
When we pass on, our graves are all anyone has to remember us by. Letting hers just fall apart would be cruel. I'm not a cruel person.
Cruel enough to call social services on our mother.
I wanted to protect you. Marianne was getting worse all the time. I was afraid that if things kept going the way they were, then one day...
We were going to end up dead?
Look, I'm sorry I didn't tell you the whole story back in the store, but I didn't want you to...
Enough with the excuses. What the hell happened to her? Why'd you turn your back on us?
Your mom was always just barely getting by, and over the years she burned a lot of goodwill. It got so bad, no one was willing to hire her, and the stress of that, well, it took its toll. I tried to help, but she pushed me away. She pushed us all away. In the end, she isolated herself from everyone. She was alone and out of options.
She had us, until you threatened to have us taken away.
I couldn't let her drag you down with her. She had you stealing for God's sake. Your mother never wanted to be a part of this community. She always thought she was better than the rest of us. A spoiled little girl playing fairy princess in the woods. If she just settled down with someone instead of running around with married men, well, just ask Sam Kansky how much better that would have been for everyone.
Wait, what?
Oh God.
What happened between them?
I wasn't thinking. Please, just forget I said anything.
Sam.
Tessa.
All I know is whatever went on, Laura left Sam over it.
Okay.
But I shouldn't have said anything about that. I promised I wouldn't. I'm sorry, kids.
Ja, machen wir mal den Mittelweg. Sie hätte es besser können machen.
I get that Marianne wouldn't let you help her. But there had to be a better way to deal with it. Especially if she was having some kind of crisis.
Yes, you're right. There were other things I could have done. Better things. I know I've made mistakes. All I can do now is say that I'm sorry. If I could give you back your mother, I would. I don't deserve your forgiveness, especially yours, Tyler. But if there's a place for me in your lives, I'd like to be there.
I have to know something first. Are you good with who I am?
I've been thinking about that since you came home. I believe that my life is better for having lived it by God's word. But I also believe we don't always understand what he's saying to us. I pray for guidance, and seeing you standing here in front of me, such a strong and thoughtful young man, I think I have his answer.
That means a lot to me. Thank you.
Tessa, I know the last couple of days have been hated. I'm up for a fresh start if you are. But it's not really up to me. Tyler?
Ja, Y. Y.
We're done losing people. And if we can't let people grow, then what the hell kind of chance do we have?
Thank you. Both of you. Kids, I never knew your mother's whole story, but it was obviously very painful. She always said you two were the only good luck she'd ever had. I'm going to try harder to forgive her. I hope you can as well. If you two are in town tomorrow, come by the cafe. Lunch is on me.
There gonna be coconut cake on the menu?
You know, I think there just might be. I'll see you two tomorrow then.
We'll be there. Come on.
Okay. Ja, aber Larissa, das war ja, die Freundin von der Mutter. Sie war auch früher wirklich so ein bisschen anti-transgender gewesen.
But I guess sometimes people change.
I know. I feel like a total...
Also sie hat auch der Mutter vorgeschlagen, dass sie den Tyler oder Dolly, also früher hat sie Ollie geheißen, dass sie in so ein Camp geschickt wird. Ja, aber die Mutter hat sich dort dagegen gewehrt. Ja.
Looks like you could use a nap.
A nap? After today, I'm ready to hibernate.
Maybe we could find the old bear's ice cave for you.
Ich muss mit dem Sam reden. So sieht's aus.
You want to sit down for a bit?
Nein, aber... also gut. Okay.
Not a bad view, right?
Yeah. I get now why they put cemeteries in nice spots. Takes a little bit of the sting off. Listen, I know this has been hard. I'm really grateful you saw it through with me. Fireweed was great.
Der würde ich eins hauen.
There was no one really there for me like that, you know? You're the only one.
Hey, brothers and sisters, right?
But it's been way more brothers than sisters lately, which is why I'm trying to say thank you.
You really don't have to.
You saved my life, Allison.
Only for you to end up locked up in fireweed for the rest of your childhood.
Wait, are you still blaming yourself for that? Don't. It was my choice.
It's just... I stole your life, Tyler. And then I totally wasted it.
That's not true.
You're on your way to Denali. Michael's gonna be a famous chef, and what am I doing? Nothing.
Nothing. You've been working on that accounting degree, and your art's good. Really good. Stop putting yourself down. As soon as we figure this shit out, we're gonna sell the house, and you're gonna go to Juneau. You're gonna kick ass.
You make it sound so easy.
No. We never had a shot at easy. But we always pull through, right?
Yeah. You're right. Hey. Wherever Ranger Tyler ends up next, he better come down from the hills to visit us city folk every now and then. You hear?
For sure. And anyway, that's not gonna be for a while. We've got time.
Oh yeah, of course. We do. So I guess we know the story now, huh? Marianne was done with Delos, and Delos was done with her. Maybe she was too proud, but she worked so hard for so long, and when she reached the end of her rope, no one was there to help her. Not even Tessa or Eddie. And when she heard social services was coming, she
gave up. But killed her kids? Really? I don't know. It still feels like there's something missing.
Natuurlijk.
You're never gonna understand what was going through her mind. I'll bet even she didn't. It's probably always gonna feel that way.
I'm gonna fall asleep the second I hit the couch.
You better rally. We still have to do some cleaning before bed.
Do we have to?
Hey, whoever packs the most gets the big couch tonight.
Oha.
Shit. Allison.
I'll get the fire extinguisher.
Oh. Wer ist es? Wer ist es? Wer ist es? Oh mein Gott. Das sieht nicht nach dem Sam aus.
Tyler, are you alright?
Allison, barn.
Stay there. I got it.
Ja, Allison hat es im Griff. Wow.
Wow.
There was a guy. He smashed me in the face with the door.
What guy? What did he
Ja.
look like?
I'm not sure.
Eine ganze Schule mit dem Zeug am Löscher. Ja, das ist. Ja, wieso? Wer?
But I'm going to find out.
Jetzt ist mir fast das Handy abgegeben.
Hey, what are you doing?
Ja, darf ich da immer noch nicht gerne. Ich bin ja hure verschrocken, ja. Aber wer könnte das gewesen sein? Und wo zum Teufel ist er rennen? Search the Barn. Aha, Search the Barn, ja, okay. Ich denke, wir schauen jetzt, wo der Dude ist. Ja.
He ran straight for it. No stops, no turns. He was on a mission.
Der Michael. Also man hat irgendjemand wollte das Barn abfackeln, um irgendetwas quasi beweisen, vernichten, würde ich jetzt mal schätzen. Das ist der einzige Grund, den ich jetzt sehe.
You have to smash everything?
Everything's on the floor.
Oder hat er etwas gesucht? Und noch, hä? Also er hat alles kaputt gemacht, hat es nachher angezündet. Es hat nicht nach dem Sam ausgesehen, von der Statur her. Etwas Jüngeres, ja. Jemand, der ein bisschen schlanker ist.
Asshole even dumped the drawers.
Die Hauptsache, wir haben noch das Collectible, das wir mitnehmen können. Also hat Alison etwas gefunden?
Is that a box under the barn?
Yeah, what the hell? I think this is where the fire started.
So he was trying to burn whatever's inside?
We should check it out. I'm gonna need to remove a few more planks to get to it.
Where could we possibly
Let's
find a
go.
tool to do that?
These planks look newer than the rest.
That corner used to be all dirt for chickens. She was always
Also.
saying how she was gonna make this
Da haben wir es schon.
house on the tundra.
Nimm es. Was ist dort unten?
Made the hole. Step back.
I'll be fine.
Was ist? What's in the box? Oha.
Well, I only know one person who'd bother to decorate a storage box like this.
Marianne. Let's open it. What's that there?
Some kind of carving. Not sure. 3 digits. Any ideas?
Marianne was never really a numbers kind of person.
3 Zahlen.
I think we just need to break the lock. There must be something in here we can use to get it open. And preferably...
Ja, ich will doch nicht das Book of Goblins lesen.
I think we just need to break the lock. There must be something in here we can use to get it open. And preferably without destroying the box.
Ja, das schaffen wir schon. Ja. Ah, das Wetter, ja.
That'll break a lock.
Nein.
I think we just need to break the lock.
Let's not waste
There must
time.
be something in here we can use to get it open. And preferably without destroying the box.
Guessing she didn't know how much of an ass he turned out to be.
Und wer hat das geschrieben?
Fuck. That's rough. This guy tried to push Marianne to get an abortion. Even though she wanted to keep us.
Das ist der Sam, oder? Chat, das hat der Sam geschrieben, oder?
Fuck. That's rough.
Ich lese jetzt nicht alles vor, oder? Larissa.
That's everything. What the hell?
So, Marianne hid a box under the barn. Box full of letters from our deadbeat dad.
And a decade later, some guy comes along, trashes the barn, and tries to destroy the box.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Yep. That guy had an affair with Marianne, and he just tried to torch the evidence.
He must have heard we were clearing out the house.
Okay.
We'd find it.
Alles klar.
You know, I can't shake the feeling I've seen him here before.
Ja, ich glaube, sie hat es bekommen. Der Sam wäre ein bisschen too obvious, finde ich auch, aber es würde eben wirklich gerade passen. Ja, eine Erinnerung.
Why are we seeing this? I don't know about you, but I haven't forgotten anything about that night.
I would have said the same thing, but something felt different.
Jetzt haben wir sicher eine neue Version.
The Mad Hunter.
Der Mad Hunter dort.
Wait, there was someone here that night? In the woods?
No, it was just I saw. Who the hell did I actually see?
Ja, waar?
The Mad Hunter.
What? No, that was the Mad Hunter.
What? What are you talking about?
That night, I thought I saw the Mad Hunter in the woods.
Ja.
I guess it was just some asshole.
Ja.
Some asshole who just fucking stood there and watched while our mother chased me with
Genau.
a shotgun.
Do you think it was the same guy?
Maybe. I mean, it had to be him, right? They were wearing the same fishing gear.
Yeah.
Das
Unless
war.
everyone who wants to mess with us is coordinating outfits.
And wait, He was here once before, wasn't he? A few days before Marianne died?
Maybe?
Hold on. Do you feel that?
Mehr Erinnerungen. Wo? Da unten.
Tyler, not there.
Our mother fought with someone on the dock about us. We need to know if it was the same guy.
But what if it's not that memory? What if it's... I can't go through that again.
We have to take that chance.
But do we really? I mean, someone just tried to burn our barn down.
Yeah, and that means we've got to be close to something.
I'm not going on that dock.
Just one more time, please.
There's always just one more. Every time it seems like we're done with this, something new pops up.
What if this is the only chance to figure out who our father is?
Then we go on living our lives without him, just like we always have.
Come on, we need to know the truth. For her.
What if I don't want to know the truth, huh? Did you ever consider that? No. You just push and push and...
You have to take responsibility for your part in Marianne's death.
What? How can you say that to me?
I didn't. But I did, right? Earlier, to Eddie. But I swear I didn't just say that to you.
So we can't even trust our own voices now?
God, I don't know. Allison.
I'll do it. Let's go.
Wir haben noch eine Erinnerung. Ist die da noch oder ist die weiter vorne da? Oder ist da? Was? Dude? Nochmal. Wer will nicht? Wieso nicht? Allison. Why? Ich weiß gerade nicht, wie ich da bewerkstelligen soll. Find the distant bond. Komm nicht raus. Etwas anderes, oder?
Some kind of work boot. Maybe fishing boots?
Also, ich weiß gerade wirklich nicht, was ich machen muss. Also da vibriert es. Da haben wir auch die Erinnerung, die ich nicht triggern kann. Also nochmal. Ich habe... Oh, jetzt. Wieso geht's jetzt plötzlich?
Ouch! Watch it! You're stepping on my foot. Can you hear what they're saying? Quiet. We don't want Mom to catch us out of bed.
I told you that would happen.
We almost had it though. That was us watching Marianne fight that guy. Try to focus on him, right? Don't think about anything else.
Come on.
So you're here to make sure I've been keeping my mouth shut? I don't owe you anything.
You've been a little all over the place lately.
All over the place? I've just been trying to survive. If you want to make sure I don't get desperate, you could help us out. Lend me some money.
What happened? Why did
Wer ist jetzt das gewesen?
I can't, Tyler.
But we were so damn close.
I'm sorry. But I'm done.
That's it? You're just giving up, just like that. You can't do this. We owe her.
Marianne is gone, Tyler. And nothing we do is gonna change that.
Don't go, please. You can't keep running from this alley, or it's only gonna get worse.
Ouch! Watch it! You're stepping on my foot! Can you hear what they're saying? Quiet! We don't want Mom to catch us out of bed.
There's no money.
I've never asked you for anything, but right now they need you.
It's not gonna happen.
I've got everything I need to nail your ass in that barn.
And just what do you think happens after that?
What do you mean?
Well, if those kids have a father, you really think there's a court out there that'll let you keep them?
No! You have no claim to my children. Get the hell off my property, now! If you ever come back here, I'm going to kill you!
Allison?
I'm going to kill you.
No. No, no.
I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you.
Okay. Wow. Jetzt bin ich verwirrt. Go Torino. Grüezi. Grüezi. Jetzt hast du gerade das Ende mitbekommen. Ja, wow. Wir wissen immer noch nicht, wer das war. Das ist also der Vater. Und ich... fuck. Und sie hat jetzt irgendwie das I'm going to kill you irgendwie so ein bisschen stuck geblieben. Das war das Gleiche gewesen, was sie gesagt hat, wo sie mit der Shotgun auf den Tyler gezielt hat. Darum bin ich jetzt überhaupt nicht mehr sicher, ob das effektiv so war. Straub. Sehr Straub. Warlock, ich brauche ein Debriefing. Oh, okay. Warlock. Du bist noch muted, Warlock, falls...
Richtig. Grüezi.
Grüezi.
Das lässt uns nicht mit mehr Erkenntnis zurück als beim letzten.
Nein, mehr Fragen als Antworten.
Mhm. Also ich glaube auf jeden Fall jetzt da bei dieser Schlussszene zeigt es irgendwie, meiner Meinung nach, dass die Erinnerungen von Tyler, die sind über die Zeit ein bisschen, wie soll ich sagen, verwaschen. So wie es wirklich war.
Aber bist du auch der Meinung, dass das Flashback, das wir gesehen haben, wo die Mutter dort auf dem Dock steht und mit der Waffe auf den Tyler zielt und Allison kommt von hinten und sticht sie ab? Ist das so... Das kann auch anders gewesen sein, oder?
Ja, also an der ganzen Szene, das weiss ich nicht. Es ist jetzt ein Teil, wo ich daran zweifle. Weil jetzt eben die Vorstellung, dass die Mutter mit der Waffe auf jemanden zielt und sagt, ich bring dich um, hat er ja irgendwie auf sich selber bezogen im letzten. Ja, darum weiss ich nicht, wie ich jetzt das soll einschätzen, eben vom letzten Mal, wo dann wirklich die Allison mit dem Messer auf sie losgeht.
Larissa fragt noch, kennt man den Warlock? Warlock, bist du irgendwie famous oder so?
Nein.
Also Larissa, du kennst den Warlock? Nein, das ist...
Nein, ich bin nicht famous.
er ist nicht so famous wie ich. Nein, aber es ist schon noch... Ich habe wirklich hure viele Fragen. Ich weiss schon gar nicht, was ich alles für Fragen habe. Eines ist eben noch, das ist noch interessant, ich weiss nicht, ob du da mitbekommen hast, ist eigentlich nochmal das Flashback aus der Sicht von der Allison, wie sie quasi den Hilfeschrei gehört hat vom Tyler und wo sie nachher ein Chair genommen hat und richtig raus ist. Und dann hat sie also in diesem Flashback hat alles gefehlt, bis zu dem Moment, wo die Mutter nachher ins Wasser gefallen ist. Weißt du, was ich meine? Als hätte sie dort wie einen Filmriss. Und da ist eben auch noch etwas, wo ich das Gefühl habe, eben, das unterstützt einfach irgendwie meine Vermutung, dass es nicht genau so passiert ist. Aber dann frage ich mich, bringt denn da der Tyler irgendwie, bildet er sich das ein? Weiss er irgendwie noch mehr? Oder, ich habe nicht das Gefühl, dass der Tyler etwas verheimlicht. Er ist ja genau der, der alles herausfinden will.
Ja, also ich meine, sie teilen ja eigentlich ihre Erinnerungen miteinander. Und wie es jetzt... Ich habe das Gefühl gehabt, sie hat ja nicht auf den Steg gehen. Und ich habe das Gefühl gehabt, sie will die Erinnerung blocken, oder?
Ja, aber das heisst, sie weiss etwas, was der Tyler nicht weiss. Oder, ich nehme an, es ist nicht einfach nur, hey, sie will es jetzt nicht nochmal erleben, weil es too much ist, sondern sie will etwas, sie weiss etwas, was sie nicht will, dass der Tyler das auch sieht. Oder erfährt.
Ja, oder sie möchte es einfach nicht nochmal hier leben.
Ja, es ist schwierig. Kann beides sein. Ja, du, ich glaube, Chapter 3, dort werden die Fragen beantwortet. Ich muss jetzt aber gleich noch schnell quasi ein bisschen als Review zu Chapter 2 muss ich sagen, es ist Kopfverdeckel langatmig gewesen. Es ist schon immer wieder mal ein bisschen etwas Interessantes gekommen, aber es ist schon es sind viele Fillers drin gewesen, die aus meiner Meinung nach nicht gebraucht haben. Und was ist jetzt mit dem Michael? Ist der noch schwul? Oder steht der auf den Tyler? Da komme ich nicht raus, was dort abgegangen ist.
Ich habe fast ein das Gefühl.
Ja, irgendwie schon.
Das ist so ein bisschen, ja.
Und nachher steht der Tyler auch noch auf Mann. Und dann, wo sind wir denn? Dann ja, ist auch so ein bisschen kompliziert für mich, aber es ist okay. Ja. Kann man machen. Kann man machen. Okay. Ja. Und Tessa, sie hat Child Services informiert. Gut, ich weiß nicht.
Ja, aber selbst ist irgendwie naheliegend. Also,
Ja,
finde ich jetzt nicht so weit
ja, ich finde es
hergeholt.
nicht weit hergeholt und ich finde es auch irgendwann durch verständlich, jetzt auch nach dem Gespräch und so. Es ist nachvollziehbar.
Ja, genau. Ich meine, du hast 2 Kinder ohne Bezug mehr. Und irgendjemand muss sich ja kümmern und dann ist es ja nicht so weit hergekommen.
Es ist schon so. Und der Eddie hat halt einfach seinen Job gemacht. Schlussendlich kann man ihm auch nichts vorwerfen. Okay, er ist Family, ja. Aber eben, das ist dann schwierig, oder? Machst du jetzt deinen Job, den du machen musst? Oder machst du ihn nicht und schaust dafür, dass irgendwie... Ja, schaust eher für die Family dann.
Ja, also,
Ja,
das, was ich jetzt gesehen habe, ist, ich habe immer das Gefühl gehabt, der hat massiv Dreck am Stecken. Und da habe ich mich jetzt schon ein bisschen davon abgewendet.
Ja, ich auch, definitiv. Es ist jetzt auch so, wie dass ich muss sagen, okay, er hat Zeug halt nicht wirklich... Er hat es ein bisschen verheimlicht, aber auch nachvollziehbar. Er hat es nicht schlimmer wollen machen, als es schon ist. Und es lieber einfach wollen, quasi Ruhe. Ja, also ich finde jetzt auch nicht mehr, dass er irgendwie da etwas zu tun hat mit dem Ganzen. Also ich nehme nicht an, dass jetzt da der Eddie ist, den wir noch gesehen haben auf dem Boot dort, oder respektive auch der jetzt das Barn angezündet hat. Ich nehme an, das sind die gleichen Personen. Ausser das Game täuscht uns da wieder massiv, weil beide haben, natürlich weißt du, beide haben noch da den Fischer-Mantel angehabt, oder? So quasi, ja, könnte Eddie gewesen sein, glaube ich aber nicht, Der Sam kommt wie nicht in Frage, ausser der Sam, ich weiß es noch nicht. Ist der Sam nicht ein bisschen fester? Also, der hat ja recht schlank gewirkt, der Dude. Nein,
Ja, also ich habe das Gefühl, der Sam ist so mehr so ein bisschen wie soll ich sagen, ein direkterer, unkomplizierter. Weißt du, der will wieder so auf, der will sich herstellen und sagen, du, das bin ich und das ist meine Meinung und bla bla. Obwohl er ein bisschen kaputt ist, glaube ich.
Das ist so.
Aber das ist wahrscheinlich, was er erlebt hat, das er so gemacht hat.
Ja. Larissa, spielst du gerade Chapter 3 nachher? Nein. Ich muss noch schauen, wenn ich Chapter 3 gehe. Wir können eigentlich einen Tag abmachen unter der Woche, weil ich habe Ferien. Welchen Tag soll ich nehmen, Roger?
Nicht der Mittwoch.
Nicht, ja, der kommt eh nicht in Frage.
Ja. Aber sonst jederzeit.
Ich denke mal, dass ich am Dienstag werde streamen. Auch am Abend. Wahrscheinlich auch ab der 6. Ja. Und dann wird es dann weitergehen mit Chapter 3. Und Leo Löwe, Andrea, aber wie genau ist der Eddie Family? Er ist der Onkel. So ist er Family. Also, was wäre es? Der Bruder von der Mutter? Nein, oder? Ja? Schon. Warlock, hilf mir. Wer ist er?
Ja, ich bin dort eben fast ein bisschen zu spät eingestiegen. Aber
Ja,
ich habe das
gut.
Gefühl, er ist er nicht der Bruder vom... Warte mal. Nein, das geht nicht. Ich bin zu spät eingestiegen, ich kann es nicht sagen.
Ich bin mir jetzt auch nicht sicher. Ja, super.
So ist das bei dem Game, oder? Das ist wirklich... Nach jedem Schluss hast du einfach mehr Fragen als vorher.
Ja, es ist schon so. Und bis dahin ist immer so es ist so langsam, so und dann wieder, und jetzt müssen wir noch da hin, jetzt müssen wir da noch aufräumen, jetzt müssen wir da noch Plaschis umschiessen.
Ja, das hat mich eben ein bisschen geschockt, wo du gesagt hast, wo ich gesagt habe, geben wir mal ein Update. Und dann hast du
es ist
relativ fertig gekommen. Dann dachte ich, nein,
es ist
jetzt erst gerade angefangen zu
nein, es ist wirklich nicht viel passiert. ist wirklich, also sie sind zur Hütte gegangen, dann war es so ein bisschen Aufräumen das Thema gewesen, dann habe ich dort so ein paar Sachen müssen machen.
Mhm.
Dann ist eben der Sam vorbeigekommen mit Supplies und hat mir dort noch schnell ein bisschen geschnorrt und dann hat er noch einen Schlüssel gehabt für das Barn, wo quasi mir gesagt haben, hey du, hast du immer noch Schlüssel, gib das Zeug da hin, oder? Und dann hat er gesagt, ja, falls er mal braucht, um irgendetwas zu machen, hat er halt den Schlüssel noch gehabt. Das habe ich auch ein bisschen komisch gefunden, aber er ist auch so ein bisschen verchillter Dude irgendwie.
Gut, ich meine, er hat ja den Schlüssel zum Haupthaus auch gehabt.
Ja, und den hat er ja dann gegeben. Ja,
Und er hat ja gesagt, in der ersten Season, im ersten Teil hat er ja gesagt, er hätte einfach aufs Haus, also er hätte sich ums Haus gekümmert. Das heisst, er muss ja dann den Schlüssel haben.
Ja. Und dann sind sie eben dort rein, dann war da noch mit der Shotgun, dort, wo die Shotgun gehangen ist. Das hat man gesehen und dann hat man das kurz angesprochen und dann ist er recht emotional geworden. Es hat sich ja dann eben auch ausgestellt in den Unterlagen, dass die Shotgun ihm gehört hat. Also auf seinen Namen registriert war. Ja.
Ja, aber dann stellt sich doch die Frage, wenn die Shotgun ihm gehört hat und er lagert sie so in einer Selbstverständlichkeit in diesem Bahn, ist denn er dort regelmäßig oder ist er denn dort daheim gewesen, oder was? Sonst hätte er ja ein eigenes Haus, wo er seine Shotgun lagern.
Ich nehme an, also ich nehme nicht an, dass er dort irgendwie daheim war. Das war ja der Allison und dem Tyler sicher aufgefallen. Aber ich nehme an, sie sind sich nahe gestanden und er war dort schon ein bisschen so der, den sie beschützen wollten. Und wahrscheinlich, kann ich mir vorstellen, er die Shotgun gegeben hat. So quasi, hey, da, wenn du irgendwie das mal brauchen zu deiner Verteidigung, ist die Shotgun da. Larissa vielleicht ein Halbbruder von der Mutter. Ja, das kann sein. Das ist wirklich... Da bin ich mir nicht sicher. Er war echt der Onkel Eddie immer. Und so eben auch gefühlt, er war ein Teil der Familie. Ui. Nein, er hat sie ihr wahrscheinlich gegeben, damit sie sich verteidigen kann. Ja. Ich nehme schon an, dass das war. Natürlich ist er da bei den Ermittlungen, oder? Ist da natürlich dann, hey, die ist auf ihn registriert. Also ist er dort wahrscheinlich dann auch ein bisschen reingerutscht, oder, in das Ganze. Aber ja, wer ist der Vater? Wer ist der Dude, der auf dem Boot war in dieser Erinnerung? Und wer ist der Dude, der den Barn angezündet hat? Und das muss eine Person sein. Entweder jemand, den wir schon getroffen haben, ich nehme es an. Ja. Aber weißt du, so verrückt viele Leute haben wir ja gar nicht gesehen in diesem Spiel. Das ist noch der Tom. Hat der noch etwas mit dem zu tun?
Ja, er ist also ziemlich der ruhige Typ.
Der ist die unscheinbarste Person. Er ist echt dort an dieser Theke und macht da Wahlkampagne und ja. Aber zuerst, das hat sich jetzt verdammt geschiftet. Zuerst habe ich gedacht, hey, die 100% Strecke am Stecken, Sam traue ich auch nicht mehr. Da habe ich mir auch noch recht viele Gedanken gemacht. Jetzt muss ich wieder sagen, nein, der Sam kann es irgendwie nicht sein. Der Eddie, der hat anderes Zeug verheimlicht. Das haben wir jetzt aufgedeckt, das ist okay. Dann wäre noch der Michael, aber mein Gott, der Michael, das ist... Er kann ja nicht der gleiche, er ist zu jung. Ausser er wäre jetzt der den Barn angezündet hat.
Ja, aber wofür? Also aus welchem Grund? Aus verschmähter Liebe?
Nein, das ist...
Sehr weit hergeholt.
Sehr weit hergeholt. Jetzt bin ich mir gar nicht sicher, ich habe doch mit dem Michael geredet und dann hat er irgendwie gesagt, er ist Teil von dem Clan. Von welchem Clan ist jetzt auch da schon wieder gewesen? Schon wieder vergessen. Also ja. Ich weiß es nicht. Mein Gott.
Was ist das?
Ja, wir finden es noch raus. Chapter 3. Der Tom, denke ich. Ja, der Tom.
Der Tom, er ist schon sehr unauffällig, aber vielleicht ist er einfach nur so eine Randfigur. Obwohl ich meine, ja, er verkauft ja die Waffen in diesem Laden. Also,
Weißt du, wenn es so wäre, dann wäre eben immer schon, er war von Anfang her dabei gewesen. Also er hat schon irgendwie, er verkauft Waffen, wir haben sogar schon darüber geredet, for safety. Aber was ist seine Story in dem Ganzen? Wieso?
Ja.
Was hat er gemacht? Hat er auch noch irgendwie... Ja, ich weiß es auch nicht. Und Tessa hat ja dann in dem Sinn wahrscheinlich nichts davon gewusst. Dann wäre der Tom der Vater. What? Nein, ich weiß es nicht. Ich weiß es nicht. Irgendwie... Ich kann mir gerade nicht vorstellen, in welche Richtung als die Geschichte würde gehen, wenn wirklich der Tom jetzt der wäre. Das wäre zu straub, das wäre zu komisch und zu unlogisch. Ja. Ja, du, Roger, jetzt ist da schon wieder 20 ab 9. Aber
ja, genau.
Ich gehe jetzt da noch schnell die Entscheidungen durch, wie letztes Mal. Das haben wir da gemacht. Ja. Genau. Also, wir haben... ich muss noch ein bisschen Musik haben. Musik, gut. Noch ein bisschen lauter. So gemütlich und so. Also, Tyler felt Allison discarded his feelings when choosing her memory at the house. Haben wir 45% haben gleich gewählt wie wir. Tyler felt hurt about needing time when Allison refused the house showing. 63% haben so entschieden wie wir, sehr gut. Ja, das habe ich auch gedacht, okay. Nein, wir räumen da noch ein bisschen auf, da können wir schon noch ein bisschen mehr Geld rausholen. Das hast du verpasst, Roger. Wir haben eben ein Angebot bekommen. Quasi jemand, der gerade Cash das Haus würde kaufen und so. Da habe ich gesagt, nein. Wir müssen zuerst noch ein bisschen räumen, ein bisschen schön machen.
Ja, ich meine, du als professioneller Hausflipper.
Eben. Ja, nein, da musste ich gar nicht müssen überlegen. Ich habe gedacht, nein, da müssen wir ein bisschen Geld rausholen aus dem Ding. Und, Allison felt hopeful about becoming a family when Tyler forgave Eddie. 83% forgave Eddie, tatsächlich. Ja, wäre auch irgendwie so ein bisschen... Also nachdem man ja erfahren hat, was effektiv war, muss man ihm ja schon ein bisschen vergeben. Zuerst habe ich noch ein bisschen so gesagt, hey, Bullshit, oder? Wie es halt muss sein, ein bisschen für Storytelling, für Dramatik und so. Und dann habe ich gesagt, nein, aber es ist gut. Wir versuchen es. Eddie was touched by Tyler's forgiveness. Natürlich, ja, 83% immer noch forgave Eddie. Das ist immer das Gleiche. Michael felt awkward after Tyler turned him down. Und what? Es sind nur 27% turned down Michael.
Ja, das ist halt die Frage, oder? Der Tyler hat ja gesagt, er suche etwas anderes. Ich meine, jetzt sagen wir, er möchte etwas vom Tyler. Und der Tyler sagt, er suche etwas anderes. Dort habe ich auch gedacht, ja, was sucht er denn?
Ja. Aber anscheinend haben dort die meisten endlich gedacht, ja, jetzt wollen wir da so eine Beziehung haben dort. Und
die Romanze. No.
Und ich habe dann einfach gedacht, nein, bitte, ich möchte jetzt einfach bitte wissen, wer ist schuld am Tod von der Mutter, merci. Und nachher kann man ja dann können sie machen, was sie wollen, wenn ich da nicht muss steuern, dann können sie da, okay. Tessa felt grateful the twins kept her in their lives. Ja, 82% forgave Tessa. Da dasselbe ist klar, man muss ihr fast vergeben, nachdem man weiss, wieso. Man kann es ein bisschen nachvollziehen, dass sie das gemacht hat. Und es war wirklich eigentlich gut gemeint. Genau.
Also ich glaube, dort hat es ein bisschen aus dem ersten Teil dagegen gesteuert, dass eben ihre erste Gedanke war, das muss man korrigieren. Das hat sich ja dann sehr schnell aufgelöst. Oder?
Ja.
Also ich glaube, eure ist, meiner Meinung nach, eure ist eigentlich nichts grob falsch.
Ja, es ist einfach, sie hat dort ihre Vergangenheit gehabt. Der Fehler war da, wo sie mit dem Camp und mit der religiösen Geschichte und so. Sie ist schon sehr religiös getroffen, auch immer noch. Aber ich glaube, sie hat auch ja begriffen, dass das nicht das Richtige war. Sie hat ja einmal gesagt, hey, inzwischen weiss sie, was das Camp mit diesen Kindern macht. Das hat sie vorher anscheinend gar nicht gewusst. Also es war immer gut gemeint, aber ja, vielleicht nicht immer wirklich das Richtige gewesen. Jo, dann wären wir da durch. Was gibt's jetzt? Roger, sagst du. Sag's.
Jetzt gibt's, wie soll ich sagen, einen scheuchen Programmwechsel.
Kontrastprogramm.
Kontrastprogramm, also wir sind mit dem Sam unterwegs, aber mit dem Serious Sam.
Genau, also der Sam, den wir jetzt hier haben, das ist nicht der gleiche. Jetzt geht es richtig Serious Sam und Geballere und Tausende von Gegnern und Raketenwerfer und ja, jetzt kommt ein bisschen Action, liebe Leute. Aber weißt du, ich brauche jetzt noch schnell eine Pinkelpause. Machen wir schnell 5 Minuten Pause, also wirklich nicht zu lang. Vielleicht, ich lasse mir noch schnell einen Kaffee aus. Längt das in 5 Minuten? Das hätte ich schon gehen. Und sonst habe ich dann halt ein bisschen verspätet.
Es kommt immer darauf an, was für eine Kaffeetasse in den Kaffee reinläuft.
Aber ich muss schnell schauen, wie gross die etwa ist. Schnell.
Hey, nice.
Nein, ich habe wo ich meinen Zoom? Da. Ich muss schnell schauen. Ja, etwa so gross ist sie. Ein sehr schönes Design auch. Also es sind eigentlich 2 Kaffees, die ich da reinlassen muss. Das sollte schon länger. So, also. Dann machen wir Mini-Pause da. Machen wir 5 Minuten Pause. Danke fürs Mitschauen bis jetzt, für die da Tell Me Why geschaut haben. Wenn ihr noch ein bisschen Serious Sam habt, mitschauen. In 5 Minuten geht es weiter. Merci.
Bis nachher.
Bis nachher.